Hey guys, it's Cal from The Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoy this short video with a couple great landscape lighting tips. But if you need more info, go and check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca or go to YouTube and search for Lighting Doctor for more helpful tips. Hey guys, we just arrived on our project here in West Palm Beach, and one of the questions I get asked all the time is why landscape lighting? And you'll see all kinds of reasons for security and different things like that. But I mean, at the end of the day, it's you have a nice home, you have a nice property, whether you're entertaining friends or you've worked your whole life and you want a place that you can have a vacation at home, that you can stay at home, and that you can enjoy everything you've done around your house. And so many people spend tens of thousands of dollars on landscaping. The problem is that at night it just all disappears. And on this project here in West Palm Beach, we discussed that with the homeowner, and they love plants. And as I kind of walk you through this property, you'll see there's literally plants and gardens everywhere. But the problem is at night it all disappeared outside of their pool area in their backyard that they have lit up with some underwater lights in the pool. There's really no lighting, so at night you didn't get to enjoy any of that. So that's a big reason on this project why they decided to add landscape lighting, and it's probably the number one reason. I mean, there is definitely some security reasons and benefits, but at the end of the day, you want your house to look good. You're going to spend tens of thousands of dollars on landscaping, or maybe you're not, or maybe you're only going to spend a couple $1,000 on landscaping, but at night it just disappears. Why not enjoy it all the time? Because even in the winter months, especially if you're placed down here in whether it be Phoenix, Arizona or Florida, a lot of snowbirds, you come down here to hang out for the winter time when it's darker earlier, and yet you can't enjoy those landscapes and the beautiful palm trees and all the things that you have. So that's why landscape lighting, if you want your house to pop and you really want it to stand out, and I know so many of you guys do, because I see all the solar lights that get bought from Amazon and from all the big box stores. But if you want to get it really done properly, get a good quality professional landscape lighting system. And like so many of you guys have commented, I want to do this right and I want to do it one time. I don't want to be doing this year and year again. That's why you go to lightingdoctor.ca, shop our kits, go to YouTube, check out all our videos. We got over 300 how-to videos that I guarantee you we can show you guys how to do this. On this project, the homeowners helped us a whole bunch, did a bunch of wiring, and really we didn't have any issues. We were able to solve any quick issues, and they did a great job. So we're very appreciative that they could help, and very appreciative that they could learn very quickly, very easily how to install their own landscape lighting system. And even after we're done this project, they've even talked to adding almost a dozen more lights, but they're going to do it on their own because now they have the know-how. So again, go check us out on YouTube, lightingdoctor.ca. Hey guys, thanks for watching that video. I hope you guys got some great tips, and I hope you guys take advantage of your own free video consultation where you can send me a few pictures of your property, and I'm going to get back to you with your own personalized video presentation with all kinds of tips and tools of how to go and light your own property. So to get that, go check us out at lightingdoctor.ca, or just email me a few pictures of your property at cal@lightingdoctor.ca.